is part 2. I've got the magnets back on there now. Now, obviously there's a few glitches here and there because I'm getting stickiness. I'm not sure if it's because I need to put some more talcum powder, which is basically lubricant, in there, because I think I lost quite a bit, because the magnets tend to stick to the plastic, and the glue didn't help much because it made the plastic fracture, so there's little hairline fractures in there. Now, if I get the magnet again, now I've got everything together, and if I gently push, got it up, whoops, it just rotated because I was pushing. Right, if I just move my magnet slowly, I can't show you that and this at the same time because of it's difficult to hold the camera and move the magnet at the same time. So as I move it towards there, very gently, oh, damn it, got to keep it really still, dead center, otherwise it jumps. Right, if you watch the gauge, there we go, it jumps to the center, which is what I want. So that is working. I remove it, reverse polarity, and it should pop back to the end. Obviously, normally when the rotors are moving, it'd be pushing on this end as well. So there's no. I'm pulling now on the other end, so I have to give it a tap. It just seems to stick a bit, but it does work. I mean, if I put it on if I actually stand it on its end, oops, it actually it's gone back, as you can see. It's because there's some friction between the magnet and the plastic. And my bloody tweezers and everything's getting stuck to that. Oh, this is crazy. Oh, this is funny. Right. Okay. Right. Well, you can see it does actually work, but I've got some friction problems. That's all. The magnets are inside a rather tight tube, and if they twist the slightest little bit, it's a bit like brakes on a bicycle wheel. It caused it to stick. Right, I'm going to push again. There we go. It's gone to the center. Now I'm going to try and pull up. I'll try and. Yeah, what is this? It's a friction. Oh, obviously there's an iron in the center as well. That iron in the center is a problem. It does tend to want to stay there. But if we were pushing on the other side at the same time, then that should release. Let me just, oops, oh, damn, my thing just flew off. Well, this is all going to be clamped once it's mounted properly. Well, let me just see now. I don't know, let me just go and push on the other end and see if I can get it to move. Oops, right. I'm going to try and push on this end now. I can stop it from spinning on me. Oops, damn it. It's very hard to hold and hold the phone at the same time. Right. I've got it in the center, but it's friction, and I think hang on. Oh, right. I'm going to turn it on its end. Oh, damn it. It flipped around on me. It's very difficult to hold. Right, let's try and push. Yeah, it's still stuck on that iron at the moment. But if we were pulling and pushing at the same, it's just impossible to hold the phone and do a push and a pull all at once because I'd need 4 arms, and I've only got 2 arms, and oops, right, okay, I'm gonna end up breaking the magnets. Basically, the gauge is working, it's just sticking. If I turn it on its end without any magnets, let's see if this I'm going to put it on its end so it doesn't jump around so easily. If I can push now, does it? I can't even see if it's moved or not. Oh no. Yeah, you can probably. Damn it. Okay, it's really stuck against that iron at the moment. It's right in the middle, you see. We need to be pulling as well on the other end, but just can't. But it will release. I'll just. Oh, bloody hell, the magnet just flew out of my hand then. That was bloody crazy. Should have seen that. It jumped a foot in the air and landed on me. Right, anyway, I'm going to injure myself at this rate. Right. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of magnetism in there. But anyway, we're winning. It would help if I had more light on the subject. Trouble is, I've got the angle, the viewing angle, wrong. Don't know if that's any better. And these concentrics are still too close to the middle. They need to be extended a bit further out by about 3/4 of an inch. These outside ones, I want to be out that way a bit, 3/4 of an inch, well, but basically sort of like, let's see, get it, roughly about there, something. I need to extend the shaft, or I'm going to probably use some magnet, what do you call it, ferrite core, and run that down the middle of the thing, and then bond it with resin and magnetite. That's probably the next job, actually, and I hate doing that because it stinks. Resin, I mean, it just stinks, yeah, horrible. But yeah, unfortunately, I thought I'd finished doing all the resin stuff, but nope, no, I haven't. So anyway, I've got some clamps ordered. I can't do much more until those arrive. But in the meantime, I'm going to see about extending these things out a bit more so that we see the stems only need to actually go halfway to the center, actually. Oh, actually, with these, I don't actually need to put ferrite on these ends. I can just seal up the bottom and fill the other end with some resin, but that will make it permanent. I will never get it off. I'll figure a way anyway. I'll find a way. So right, see if I can pull this magnet again in the center. See if I can get it to release. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's back on the end now. Now let's go back to push. It's because I moved these out a bit. If they're too close to the center, they're out of balance. Oh, damn it! Right, stay still. I'm trying to find a way to hold this without knocking them. I'll stick my finger in the middle and hold it there. Right, if I can. Right, push. There we go. It worked. There we go. And that's pull. And the end one keeps flipping up as well. Push. Pull. Yep. That will work great if I can just get them outside ones a little bit further out. Push. Pull. Yeah, that is all I need. These need to be about there with that gap between that joint and there. All three of them, and then I'll have my balance just right. push. Oh, see if I can. Yeah. And I feel the forces. Oops, damn it, man. It's come off now. Everything's sticking to it. The forces, when you get it balanced, the actual push, the pull and the push forces, they actually become equal. So that when this is pushing on that side and other magnets are pulling on the other side, the actual forces are equal, so that you have no what's the word, work, yeah, no braking effect, whatever you want to call it, or lens. There is no lens with this because it's working in a different way. It's using a push-pull rather than a rotationary type of generator, because what's happening, the magnets are pushing the magnetic field in the center to the coils, energizing the coils, and then the next magnets that come by are actually pulling the magnetic field from the concentrics outwards away from the coils. Unlike normal pulse motors, this is not a pulse motor, and it's not pulse. It's not really. It is a pulse generator in a way, actually. Yeah, I'll call it a Bubbleator. Oh my God, we're at 11 minutes already. But anyway, you can see now that my gauge is actually working. There's still a few little snags, you know, with friction and that, but I'm pretty sure that once this thing gets running, the magnets flying backwards and forwards inside there, they'll basically lubricate themselves up. And yeah, I've got things flying at me at the moment, my tweezers. Go away, tweezers. Yeah, okay. Thanks for watching.